very first layer done. I have a lot of silicone left. I wasn't sure how much I was gonna need. So I'm glad that I have a lot left over because I can monitor how it's curing. I've never done this before, so I'm just very curious to see how everything's gonna work together. All right, so it's been about 30 minutes and I'm testing the silicone here and there's no transfer, nothing. And I'm gonna see what it's gonna be like. Wow, look at that detail. Let's see the stretch. I don't want to pull on it too hard. This is a little bit thicker. So this is the first layer, my little babies. This is the first layer. And I'm going to continue, like I mentioned, I'm gonna try to do 6 layers, 3 layers, or is it 9 layers? Yeah, because I'm gonna try to do 3 layers of each. So I'm gonna see where I stop and we'll go from there. All right. It's ready to go.